We look at problem 19. We have sodium iodide reacting with chlorine to form sodium chloride plus iodine. We have something that's paired together, sodium iodide, and in here it's paired with something else, sodium chloride. And on both sides we have an element by itself. Okay, two things that are alone or single, and they have swapped with each other, so this is a single replacement reaction. Sodium iodide is an ionic because it's a metal and non-metal. If we look at their charges, sodium is +1, iodide is -1. Chlorine's an element, so no charge. Sodium chloride, +1 again. And then chloride is a -1. And then iodide is an element, so no charge. For writing these, NaI, since their charges are equal and opposite, we don't need to write anything. Plus chlorine. Chlorine's a diatom, so when we write it, we can't just write Cl, we have to write Cl2. Sodium chloride, their charges are also equal and opposite, so we don't need to write anything. If you did, in fact, swap the charges, they're both 1, so you wouldn't have to write anything anyways. And then we have another diatom, which is iodine, so we have to write I2. This is a basic problem, so we're not going to write everything out. We have 1 sodium here and 1 sodium here. We have 1 iodine here, but we have 2 over here, so I want to multiply this by 2. If I put a 2 here, I've changed this to 2, so I'm going to put a 2 on this side, so I have 2 sodiums here. I have 2 chlorines, but here, because of the 2, I also have 2 chlorines here. So if we look at it overall, 2 NAs, 2 NAs, 2 I's, 2 I's, 2 Cl's, and 2 Cl's. So we're just going to put a 1 over here, and we are balanced.